At number 1, we have the Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Car Wash Soap. This is the best car wash soap you can buy on the market and delivers exceptional cleaning power through its pH balance formula that effectively emulsifies dirt and grime from vehicle surfaces. This advanced foaming cleanser creates thick, rich suds that cling to surfaces, allowing dirt particles to be gently lifted away without aggressive scrubbing. The formula contains a blend of surfactants including dodecylbenzene and alpha-olefin sulfonate, which work together to break down contaminants while maintaining paint protection. Its gentle yet effective cleaning action makes it suitable for regular maintenance washes using either foam cannon, touchless, or traditional 2-bucket washing methods. The soap's neutral pH ensures it won't strip existing wax or sealant layers from the vehicle's finish. When properly diluted, the concentrated formula produces a thick, honeydew-scented foam that dwells on surfaces long enough to soften stubborn dirt. The product is safe for all exterior automotive surfaces and can be used in direct sunlight. Its biodegradable ingredients and water-soluble properties make it environmentally conscious while still delivering professional-grade cleaning results.